Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy man. I'm back again with another video. So it's currently Monday, August 19th, 2024, 7:37 a.m. right? So I'm gonna break down what happened, right? I haven't taken a single trade yet. Let me go right here. Let me show you guys. I haven't taken a trade yet. I was waiting patiently for my setup, right? So let me break down what I see on happening, right? So I come to the chart. This is gold right here. I see overnight we had this bearish move right here. So price is pulling back, right? So I come to the market. When I tell you, I literally watched this whole move happen. I watched this whole move happen and did not take a single trade. Now, I come to the market, right? So what am I looking for? I know price is going to pull back to this area right here, this order block right here, and go to the upside because it would bullish overall. So I tell myself, okay, cool. We can just catch the sells down to the area of interest and then catch the buys to wherever we're trying to go, right? I got into a lower time frame. I found 15-minute order block. I was waiting for price to pull back here. Never pull back. Now, over the weekend, I did back test a little bit to see how I can implement the 5-minute, and I can use order blocks on the 5-minute as well. So, guess what? I drew them up right here. Price, I was waiting for price to pull back. I would have taken the trade easily, literally like this. Just give it enough room, and then carry it down. See this? This is a 1 to 8, 1 to 7. I literally missed out on this whole move. Well, I didn't miss out because there was no setup, right? So price never pulled back. It kept trailing and trailing and trailing, and eventually I didn't take the trade. Price didn't give me an entry signal. It never pulled back like I wanted to. I didn't take the trade. Now, me from a few months ago, I would have been mad. I would have been yelling like, What are you doing, right?" Now, this is where you have to understand FOMO and fear and greed, right? Let's say I had taken a trade. Sorry. Let's say I had taken a trade. Let's say right here. And then price, and price came back and wake me up. Now I would have been examining my trade. I would have been like, why did I take this trade? There was no S setup there. Why would I take the trade? But now that I'm aware of it, I understand. Okay, cool. There's no need to take this trade. Just be patient, wait for your setup. There was no setup. If it had pulled back, I would have taken this trade easily. Price didn't pull back, kept going. I didn't enter the trade because if I lost, I would have reviewed it later on and be like, why did I take the trade? There was no setup there. I didn't follow my trading plan. Then I'll have to take a cold shower and discipline, blah, 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 all that stuff. I'm not doing that. I'm not taking a cold shower. I'm good. Just signed in. All right, cool. See, as you can tell, I haven't taken a single trade today yet. This is still from last week, right? Literally, you can tell. Look. Cool. So, price eventually did pull back to an order block like I wanted to. Now it's rejecting it beautifully. I would take this trade right here, but I need this structure to close above here, and because this is a nice morning star that I like, so I would like this to close above here. So I would take the trade like this, put my stop loss right below here, and we would target this high right here ultimately. Now on the 15-minute, I need it to close above here as well. So we'll be patient for that. It's rejecting exactly how I wanted to. Morning star on the 5-minute, so good trade overall, and we're bullish. Look, literally. Let me show you. So on a high time frame, we needed this wick pullback to continue to the upside. Literally, we're bullish overall, so we're looking to buy. Now, this is looking a high risk trade because we're at the highest time ever. So most likely, it would make sense to sell because price would likely pull back to this area of interest, retest the structure, and then continue to the upside. So this is a risky trade, but I'm gonna see how I take it and minimize my risk. It's all about minimizing your risk, right? So a good trade overall. We're just gonna be patient. Yeah. Silver pulled back exactly how I wanted to as well. Retested it. Now I would have taken this trade right here, but gold was pulling back as well. And there's like a cross correlation a little bit between them. So I just didn't want to take one and not take the other. Like it just doesn't make sense. I like how gold is pushing right here. So, but we can't take it till this candlestick closes. You have to wait for the candlestick to close. So silver already had the big push. Realistically, I would have taken it like this. I was taking a shot when this happened. And then let's put out 100 pip. And then target this high right here. So 1 to 2.6. So really good trade overall, but we're going to wait for gold. Yeah, we're going to wait patiently. I'll be back. You'll see this. We're taking this would have been up right now, but it's okay. I'm more interested in, honestly, this one on silver will be way better because we have previous structure to play around with. I'm going to take this one. Okay, I'm going to take this trade on here. Plus 20. And we'll be targeting this high right here. Or is it better on silver? Silver would be better. I put this reversal point on weekly because if you can see, weekly is probably coming back to retest free structure, even though it is bullish overall. So honestly, it would be better to take it on silver. I'm just gonna wait. I'll update you guys when I do end up taking the trade. All right, YouTube. So I did end up taking the trade. I literally just took it off the screen. That was it. But yeah, so we're up like 80 right now. I ended up taking the trade, and this is my take profit. I'm putting it literally at the highest high. So there is no news coming out today. Let me show you. So I'm confident in this trade. There is no U.S. news. I mean the CPI index, but we're fine. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how news affects it. I'm not really too worried about it. So I'll update you guys if we win or we lose. So stay tuned. Also, silver is still doing this thing. I told myself if I did end up taking a silver, I probably would have closed up here. But I don't like how this is a reversal point right here. So we didn't take it on silver. So, yeah, I took it on gold, and I'll update you guys later on during the day. So yeah. Oh man. So as you guys can see clearly, it's currently still Monday, August 19th, 2024, 4:24 p.m. right? And as you can tell, literally, you'll see this. Literally got wicked out, and then price went in that direction. Now, y'all would have thought we lost the trade. We didn't lose the trade. We actually made a little bit of profit, right? Let me just show you. So this is the trade right here. As you can tell, literally, we're getting wicked out completely. Literally just wicked out like that, and then would have went straight to take profit. But this is the account we made. $45. Now I'm gonna explain why we made $45, right? So let's go back to the chart. So like I told you guys earlier this morning, price is at the highest that it's ever been. Like literally at the highest that it's ever been. This is wild. This is wild for gold, right? So there's two sides to this. One, price is gonna continue pushing higher, which honestly I think it has potential to keep pushing higher, as it did right here. Obviously, just kept pushing. Consolidated a little bit, but then broke out of it, right? Or two, price is gonna pull back and start falling, right? Because when price is at the highest it's ever been, it's either gonna keep pushing or it's gonna drop. Like there's a big drop coming. I'm literally calling it right now. August 19th, 2024. There's gonna be a big drop in gold. I'm calling it. I don't know when, but it's gonna happen, right? So coming to the market today, I'm looking to buy because we're at the highest ever. I'm just looking for a little pullback and a big push up. Cool. So I go down to the lower time frames, right? 4 hour, there is this area of interest. As you can tell, this is the resistance area. Rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Finally, strong bullish engulfing candle. Broke through. Never came back to retest it. So I was like, okay, cool. That's fine. I went down to a lower time frame. There is no area of interest because we're just not making price history right here. So there's not much I can use, right? Cool. Go to the chart this morning. Now, like I stated earlier, I was looking to catch the sales from this area because I know price is going to pull back. Look, I find this order block right here that I will be using to buy, which is like the big move overall. So what was I trying to do? I was trying to catch the sales from here down here. But obviously, I was looking at the 5 minute for different order blocks, like this one right here, this one right here, and price never pulled back. So guess what? We didn't take the trade. Price did come back to the area of interest. Give me exactly what I wanted to. Go to a 5 minute, give me a rejection. Nice rejection. I waited for this candlestick to close. When this one closed, it also closed on a 15 minute. So what I do, I took the trade. And the trade was up and running, right? Cool. It was up and running. Then I was gonna go to work. I was literally in my car. I was about to leave and go to work. And I see price having this big push, like right about here. Like big momentum, bearish momentum back down. So I'm like, oh, okay. Price is probably coming back to retest here because it has to come back and retest this on the daily. But that's for later on. I didn't expect it to happen today. I thought it was going to take at least 2 or 3 days to happen for the retest to happen. But price is having this pullback right here. Maybe it wanted to retest the order block again. Not sure, right? Cool. It was pulling the back. So me, I already told myself it's in my trading rules. If price is pulling back hard and I think that I am wrong, that my bias is wrong, I'm going to exit the trade. I follow my trading plan. I'm telling you, I'm sticking to my trading plan. I'm not taking any more cold showers. I follow my trading plan. I closed the trade. So as you can see, I closed that at $45. And that was it. I went to work peaceful, right? Now, I get off work and I check my phone and see what happens. I literally would have taken this trade. I would have stayed in this trade. I would have gotten wicked out by 2 pips. Are you serious right now? I would have gotten wicked out by 2 pips just for price to go straight in my direction. Now, I'm a little mad at myself because I closed the trade. I'm also glad I closed the trade because that was an unnecessary loss I would have taken, right? No, not even an unnecessary loss. Good trade setup. We took it, put the stop loss at the right spot. I guess not. We lost. We would have lost this trade, but it would have went straight in that direction. I would have been mad. I would have been furious. Me from a couple of months ago, I would have been furious. I would have been mad. I'd be like, why did that happen? Why did that happen? But I understand now. It's my psychology. Now, one thing that I really learned from this, and I had already known this, but I don't know why I didn't follow my own rules and my own thought process. But while this setup was happening on gold, right? Silver was having this big push as well. Silver pushed back to this order block like I wanted it to. And while gold was giving me the setup, this one also gave me a setup. Literally, you can see in the previous video, where I was questioning myself, like, do I want to take it on gold or silver? Gold or silver? I took it on gold. And look what happened. Literally, look what happened. If I had taken it on silver, I literally would have taken it out to close it. This candle right here. Put it right here. My stop loss right below here. At 100. And then TP would have been here. And then I had this line drawn up right here, up here. Is it still there? Yeah, it is. Actually, did I want that one? No, I wanted this one right here. Yeah, this is where I had it marked up the first. So, literally, easy 1 to 5, bro. And this is the kind of trading setup that I look for, that I want. And I literally said this in the videos a few back. I literally said that silver is more volatile than gold. Silver offers me more opportunities and more trading setup than gold. And literally, I had both side to side, and I picked gold. I didn't pick silver. And look at this, beautiful trade, easy 1 to 5. If I had risked 2% on this, would have passed the point challenge in one trade. If I had risked 1%, would have made 5% on this trade. Easy. And I was thinking about this earlier. It's my psychology. Trading psychology is the biggest part, and I don't know why. I had both setups in front of me, and the silver one just made more sense too, because this is not the highest that silver's ever been. We have previous structure, so I should have taken the silver one. Realistically, I should have taken the silver one. But hey, you live and you learn. So coming in tomorrow morning to the market, I'm still looking to buy. I'm just gonna wait for price. Let price do his thing tonight, and then tomorrow morning come for strong buyers, and we'll be looking to buy tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna wake up again tomorrow morning. We're gonna do the same thing. This time, I'm gonna pay attention to what the market's telling me. If I see a better setup on silver, I'm gonna take it. If I see a better setup on gold, I'll take it. It just depends. But I learned a lot of valuable lessons today. If I was still in the trade on gold, I would have lost. I would have been mad at myself. And then I would have came and saw this on silver and been mad at myself. Why didn't I take the one on silver? But it's okay. You live and you learn, right? So, if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope you learned something from this video. But don't be like me. Look, which setup looks cleaner? Just ask yourself that. Which one looks cleaner? Because this one has previous structure. Gold is at the highest ever. That's a good trade, but it's kind of a high risk trade, right? So, yeah. Like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what I can improve on and what can I be better on. So, yeah. Let's go. All glory to God every single